It's a video. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Saturday, I think April 7th. We're gonna go out tonight with my friends, and we're celebrating Helena's birthday. She's my co-worker. It's already 7:11 p.m. and they're just gonna pick me up. I think we're going to the National Harbor, and this is my outfit. I'm not sure with the shoes yet because it's cold. Bodysuit is from Laura's Boutique, and I think jeans from H&M or Forever 21. I don't know. And I just put my makeup on. So yeah, you're gonna see them later. I'm with Sandra and Helena, and already put her gifts in my trunk, which is I have to get it because we're not gonna use my car. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we are here at the National Harbor. You ready?
Oh wow, okay. Yes, I am.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Oh, okay, stop. You better just stop.
Sandra, you keep this somewhere else. Anyway,
Hey!
we're not from the Charleston today. No.
The pettiness is real. Oh my goodness. So we are walking. We're going to find a restaurant for the birthday girl.
Birthday.
21st birthday. Hey!
Helena's 21st.
21st, yeah.
23rd.
Okay,
Oh.
23rd.
So let's not accept anything.
So,
So what?
shut up. Hey guys, we're here at Bond 45. Bond 45, yes. It's an Italian restaurant. Yeah. Hey. It's nice here.
Alright, so what are you guys gonna eat? Do you know?
Their calamars is
Are you getting a cocktail?
what's that?
Cocktail like something.
No, I'm not gonna drink.
You guys are not gonna drink?
You're gonna drive, so you're not gonna drink.
Cocktail.
I mean, if you want.
How long are we gonna be here for? We're not gonna be here for an hour.
Good evening, ladies. Welcome. Some water.
Yes, please. this one is for good. Hey, we need to do cheers.
Cheers.
We need a picture of this.
So we're just eating, and now we're walking. Look at the view. I mean, I'm the view, so. And the birthday girl.
Hi. Thank you for celebrating my birthday for me. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I love you.
So we're going to.
I'm gonna search for your boyfriend, okay? Let's go.
We're gonna go to the National Harbor. No, this is National Harbor. We're going to Gaylord.
Yeah.
Lord.
To meet my boyfriend.
I need a horse.